The transboundary nature of these pests add, Your Excellencies, a layer of complexity to our efforts, as they disregard national borders, necessitating a unified regional response. That we are here to that response. Climate change further compounds this issue with events like El Niño creating favorable conditions for pest propagation. The erratic weather patterns, a consequence of climate change, are making it increasingly difficult for our agricultural communities to plan and safeguard their livelihoods, leading the crop failures, food shortage, and as well as displacement. The very objective of this meeting, Your Excellencies, is, despite favorable ecological and weather conditions during the rainy season of October, November, and December 2023, the region successfully avoided another desert locust outbreak similar to or worse than that of experienced in 2020. This achievement highlights the crucial role of the platform in coordinating early warning and early action, resulting in a significant cost saving and reduced use of synthetic pesticides, thereby minimizing negative environmental impacts.
Your presence here highlights our collective commitment in addressing the severe challenges posed by transboundary pests that threaten our agriculture, our ecosystems, and our very livelihoods. The issues we face with migratory pests, and in particular desert locusts, Q-layer birds, fall armyworms, and in particular an African armyworm, are not just isolated threats. They are significant hurdles to our collective food security and economic stability within the IGAD region. To address these challenges, the upcoming steering committee and ministerial meetings of transboundary pest management, organized by the Interregional Platform for Managing Transboundary Pests, will aim to address the significant threats to food security posed by transboundary pests. They will facilitate international collaboration, align policies across borders, and enhance our understanding of the impact of climate change on pest dynamics. For the IGAD region, the meetings will coordinate efforts to monitor and control pests, strengthen regional capacities in biopesticide use, and develop a comprehensive action